In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Google Chrome in laptop or PC. Keeping your browser up to date is one of the simplest ways to stay secure online, get the latest features, and enjoy smoother performance. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to manually check for and install updates in Google Chrome on your computer. Start by opening Google Chrome on your laptop or desktop. Look to the very top right corner of the window and find the three vertical dots. This is your main menu button. Click it to open Chrome's menu. If you're not used to the layout, don't worry. Everything you need is right here. Next, move your mouse down to the bottom of that menu and hover over Help. A small side menu will appear. Click on About Google Chrome. This takes you to Chrome's About page, which is the built-in place for managing updates. As soon as the About page opens, Chrome automatically starts checking for updates. You don't need to press anything else. If an update is available, you'll see it begin downloading and installing right away. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this might take a moment, so just let Chrome do its thing. You'll also see the version number on this page, which can be helpful if you're ever asked to confirm you're on the latest release. Once the update has finished installing, you'll see a relaunch button. Go ahead and click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the changes. This restart is important. Chrome needs that quick refresh to complete the update. Don't worry about losing your work. Chrome will remember your open tabs and bring them back when it reopens, so you can pick up right where you left off. If Chrome tells you it's already up to date, that means you're good to go and no action is needed beyond viewing the page. Either way, you'll end up with the most secure and current version of the browser. And that's it. You've manually checked for updates, installed any available ones, and relaunched the browser to finish the process. Taking a minute to do this regularly helps protect you from security vulnerabilities, improves stability, and ensures you have access to the newest improvements from Google. Now you're running the latest, most secure version of Chrome. You're all set, done.